This is my third visit to Yosemite, and I've never been here to Mirror Lake. The reason, I've spent most of my time where everybody else is, but this bike has allowed me to kind of get off the beaten path and go to places where a lot of people don't go. And then you see this. You're thinking, are you kidding me? This is beautiful. And at my age, I'm not sure I would have come up this far to see this except for this bike. I'm over 60. I'm not quite in the shape that I used to be, and this allows me to go further and faster than I possibly could in a normal bike. It's the only way to ride, right here. All of us have driven through Yosemite with the traffic, and you try to enjoy what's up there, but you're always looking at what's in front of you, what's behind you. On this bike, on a bike path, just going at your own speed, oh my Lord, it's beautiful. You can enjoy Yosemite in a way that I've never done it before. If I want to get my heart rate up, I can do it on this bike. But when I get tired, I can just put it in cruise and relax. Catch my breath, and then if I want to get another workout, shift it back into bicycle mode, and I'm good. You can do that all day long. Things you could never do on a traditional bike. You know, I'm like everybody else. I grew up on a bike, but my bike had a bar right here. Now at my age, I'm perfectly fine with that. Those girls had it made. This is so much easier to get on and to get off. The fact that this bike will fold up and become half of this size is incredible. We drove up from LA in a pickup truck, and we were able to put this folded in the back of the bed of the pickup truck along with all of our luggage. It's incredible. I was on the fence about electric bikes. I had seen them. I had kind of watched a couple of YouTube videos about them. I'm sold. There's no question. My wife and I both, we want to do something that we can do together. She's not as quite as apt to get out and go and see and do as I am. This will allow her to do that. She will see the world and this beautiful country that we live in on a bike in ways that she wouldn't otherwise. Just incredible. Nothing like it. I've done a lot of research. DJ Bike is one of the top. I love the look. It's extremely comfortable. That matters at our age, especially for my wife. It's very, very comfortable. I love the look. It's got safety features. There's a light in the front. There's a light in the back, so you could obviously ride in the evening. It's got everything you could want, and the price is amazing. I'm telling the truth. I'm going to buy this bike. I'm going to buy two of them. I'm going to buy two bikes for my wife and I, and I'm going to take her up to Yosemite, and we're going to get off that road that we've traditionally ridden on, and we're going to see things like this that we normally would never have been able to enjoy. Unbelievable.